Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn how to make easy Thai red curry with a Desi twist. If you don't want to miss my recipes, follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start this easy recipe without any delay. Take boneless chicken, add salt, some garlic, soy sauce. Give it a mix with your hand. Cover and leave for half hour. Heat oil in a pan at medium heat. Add onions to it. Fry the onions till they slightly change their color. Add crushed garlic. Stir fry for a few seconds. Instead of making Thai red curry paste at home, I've bought it from the market. I chose this brand because it was quite economical and it was very easy to use. Add Thai red curry paste in the pan. It's very thick and quite spicy, so do not add a large amount of it. Stir cook at very low heat till the curry paste is incorporated with onion mixture. Add fresh beans, carrots, add some zucchini, chopped green capsicum. Stir for a few seconds but do not cook the vegetables. Now add the chicken. Stir cook for a minute. For coconut milk, I am using Suri coconut milk. Add coconut milk into the pan. Give it a mix. Add lemongrass into the curry mixture and some lemon juice. If your curry is low on salt, add a bit of soy sauce. Cover and cook the curry for 20 to 25 minutes at very low heat. Remove the lid after 20 to 25 minutes and your Thai red curry is ready. Serve hot with boiled rice.
बहुत मज़े का है।